It's a condition at this point. I'm glad I was able to pop in. I'm glad you came too. The lip is everything. Thank you. It's a condition, Joy. I can't. That's it. I ain't gonna touch my mouth. And so I exit out the lab, then I probably fuck with it some. I probably fuck with it some more. Okay. Hey, my love bugs. Thanks for tuning in. If you have not already done so, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, y'all. I know y'all be forgetting. It's cool. Just hit the subscribe button to subscribe to my channel just to support me over here on YouTube and show some love. I'm going to jump right into this look, y'all, using some eyeshadow base. This is by Spike Beauty, and this is in the shade 1. The consistency of this eyeshadow base is so dope. It's so smooth and soft, and it definitely dries down matte, which is something that I absolutely love when it comes to eyeshadow bases because you don't have to do a lot of blending. Jumping into the eye look, I'm going to be going in with this blue color, and I'm going to place that right in the inner corner of my eye, and that's going to start the halo effect. The look that I'm going for is a halo eye because I have not did a halo eye in so long. I really wanted to do one. So yeah, this is the look that I'm going for. So I'm just going to place that blue directly in the inner corner of my eye. And when you are doing a halo eye, just make sure you use a very small brush to apply the eyeshadow because you don't want it to be over your entire lid. Now I'm going to go in with a blue shade, and I'm going to place that right on the outer corner of my eyelid with a very small detail brush, and I'm going to start blending in a purple, and then I'm going to go into the shade pink. Just making sure I use very small blending motions with very small brushes to make sure I get all the colors that I need inside of this small area. So I'm going to start blending the orange and yellow next. Now I'm going to take some eyeshadow base. This is by Spike Beauty in the shade 1. And I'm going to take a concealer brush, and I'm going to just start mapping out where I want that cut crease to go. Now I'm just going to take that blue shade and start smoking out the inner corners of my eye to create that halo effect. Doing the same things to the outer corners of my eyelid, I'm just going to start smoking that back out, but I'm going to be using the same colors that I used on the outside of my cut crease, which is the purple, pink, orange, and yellow. Using a pressed shimmer in the shade White Gold from my Creative Expressions palette by Spike Beauty, I'm going to start placing that right in the middle of my eye. And just making sure I don't lose those colors, I'm going to go back in and place the orange, the yellow, and the pink on the side of my eye. And I'm going to start smoking out the blue that's in the inner corner as well. Now I'm going to go in with my loose glitter pigment in the shade White Gold. This is from J. LaRue Cosmetics, and I'm going to place that directly on my halo, and this is going to create a nice shimmery look. The eyes are done, so now we're going to jump right into the skin. I started off by using my Milani's No Pore Zone primer, and then I went in with some e.l.f. Power Grip primer. And now it's time to set, so I'm basically going in with my Laura Mercier setting powder to set my entire face. This is by far one of my favorite eyeliners. This is by LA Girl, and these are their neon pigments. I'm going to use the blue right in my waterline. Taking that same loose pigment in the shade White Gold, and I'm going to place that right in the inner corner of my eye. Now we're going to go in with a lip liner. I'm going to start drawing out my lips, creating my shape that I want. I forgot what shade this lip liner is in. I want to say Power, but it is by Spike Beauty. It glides like butter. I'm going to also go in with a Acid Rain base in the shade Tangy Tease, and I'm going to place that right in the middle of my lips. Now we're going to start trying. So what happened was I was trying to create the same shades on my eyelids that on my lips, but it ended up going south. But y'all finna see now. Like, I went in with a blue, then I went in with a pink, and I started blending that out. I think me constantly messing with it kind of messed up the dynamic, so my supporters was like, leave your lips alone, and I'm like, I can't leave my lips alone. So yeah, y'all finna see what happened, but it ended up turning out cute. Like, it turned out cute, but I couldn't stop messing with it. Now I'm going in with my Rich Glamour Cosmetics Bronze Me palette, and I'm going to start just highlighting my face with the highlighter that's inside of this palette, which is like a orangey tint. I absolutely love this gold because it matches this orange on my eyelid to a T, honey. So I'm going to place this directly on my cheekbones. It's also going to go on my arch of my eyebrows, right underneath the arch of my eyebrows. And then I did place some in the middle of, on the bridge of my nose as well, but I placed the lighter highlight on my nose. I went in with some glitter. I want to say this is in the shade Glitz by Stay Golden Cosmetics, and I placed that on my lips. Y'all know my lips gotta have some type of shimmer, but this is the finished look. Don't forget to watch the other videos that I've already posted. I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. If you have any questions, just let me know. I promise I will respond. See you in the next video.